Alright folks, today we're going to install the M7 utility hitch on this R60 Countryman. There it is. Now it's real simple. Very few items to put in. This, right here, screws into the receiver threaded nut that's in there, and right here. And then the hitch goes on, slides over this part, and this large nut, this large screw, screws right in there, and that's it. No cutting, no drilling, no modifying anything. You can put it on in 5-6 minutes. You can remove it in less, and you're done. And you don't have to modify anything. You don't have to pull the bumper off. You don't have to do anything like that. First thing you're going to do is come right over here, and you're just going to push in. These caps come off. You just kind of wiggle them out. They have a little springy piece of plastic right here. Makes it easy for you to just take it off and store them away. They are painted, so don't get them scratched. I want to go ahead and put this piece in. Take an adjustable wrench, or 7/8 if you have it. Get it on there just right, because there's not a lot of give here. Alright, so that's in. Take your bolt and tighten it as far as you can by hand. The other bolt. And now it's a 1/2-inch hex. 1/2-inch hex. If you buy them new, they usually come with the Allen. You can probably find the Allen on Amazon or eBay. They just have a couple of those. I had to buy an entire set so I can get this 1/2 inch because I didn't want to wait to make the video. So it's a 1/2 inch drive. There we go. And that's it. It's supposed to take up to 150 pounds tongue weight going down, and up to 1,000 pounds of pull if you're pulling a trailer. You're up to 1,000 pounds with no more than 150 pounds tongue weight, according to the M7 website. I know M7 has these in 1 1/4 by 1 1/4, which is this one, and they also have them in 2 inch by 2 inch, you know, the larger size. And that's about it. It's on there. take it off, just reverse it. Thumbs up if you like it. This is helpful. Really easy to do. Instead of modifying anything, you don't have to worry about any modifications that you might have done. You don't have to worry about messing up your parking sensors. That'll all work just fine. It's nice. It's a nice piece. Doesn't look too obtrusive. It's nice. Thumbs up.